to improve Windows 11 performance. Windows 11 is primarily faster than Windows 10, but that doesn't mean it couldn't be better. Windows 11 does utterly under the hood to improve the PC's performance. The same PC will usually run faster on Windows 11 than on Windows 10. When you start a PC, it displays signs of performance issues. While there are various tweaks that you can apply to make the device faster before thinking of a replacement, Gad Insider has got you a step-by-step guide to improve Windows 11 performance. First, press the Windows key, type PowerShell, and run as administrator. Second, copy and paste the command to download the debloater script. First, disable Cortana if not in use. Optionally, uninstall OneDrive if not needed. Disable telemetry or tasks for privacy and performance. Customize the block list to select apps or packages for removal. Review the list. Untick the apps you want to keep and click Remove Bloatware with Custom Block List. Restart the PC after completion. Here are some cautions before applying these steps. Follow the steps carefully. It may break things. System restore point created for safety, especially beneficial for older PCs. Proceed at your own risk. Here's some additional instructions. Some apps may remain as stubs. Uninstall them manually. Guide on customizing the start menu and removing recommendations available.